Hi, this is Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney, here to help you navigate the complex world of immigration. In today's video, I will discuss what to expect at your green card-based marriage interview and your attorney's role in this step. Often, the marriage green card interview is the last step in a couple's green card journey, but it is usually the most nerve-wracking because you don't know what to expect. But that's okay because your attorney will help guide you from start to finish on what to expect and how to prepare. The first thing you should do when you receive your interview notice is start gathering your documents. You will need to gather all of your original documents, including the marriage and birth certificates, any divorce decrees, and your passports and IDs. You will also need to gather evidence of your marriage and proof that your relationship is real. Your attorney will meet with you to go over all of your documentation and tell you how to conduct yourself during the interview, what to expect, and practice potential questions with you. They will also discuss any potential issues and how to handle questions about them so that you are as prepared as possible on your interview day. Here in my office, I meet in person with all of my clients to prepare them, and our prep can take between 1 to 2 hours. During the interview, you and your spouse will sit in front of an immigration officer whose job is to determine whether your marriage is a bona fide or good faith marriage, and determine if there is any barrier to you getting a green card. The officer will not only vet your marriage, but they will also vet you for criminal history, fraud, or other potential issues. There is no clear set of questions, and the officer may ask about almost anything they believe to be relevant to your case. However, the majority of questions tend to be about the start of your relationship and how it evolved and how well the two of you really know each other. During the interview, your attorney will sit next to you or behind you depending on how big the officer's room is, and their role is to observe the interview, make legal clarifications to the officer, and prevent the officer from behaving inappropriately with you. Your attorney cannot answer questions for you, as this is considered to be your testimony. Your interview can be very short or very long, but I find that most of my interviews take an average of 30 minutes. What happens after the interview really depends on your specific case. Sometimes the officer may tell you on the spot that they do not see any problems and that they will approve the I-130, and pending a final background check, you should receive a decision in the mail in a few weeks. But most of the time, an officer will be more tight-lipped and will tell you that you will get a decision in the mail in the next 120 days. Sometimes the officer will tell you that they need additional documents to process your case and will give you a request for evidence with instructions on what they need and how to deliver them. Either way, after your interview, it is not unusual for you to receive your green card anywhere between 1 week to several months after your interview. Your attorney will help explain and guide you on what is normal and what to expect, and will help keep you up to date on all changes. This has been a video on what to expect before, during, and after your marriage green card interview. I'm Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney helping you navigate the complex world of immigration law. See you next week.